Hi guys, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today is the third video for Beauty Box subscriptions, and the next one I'm going to review is Play by Sephora. This always comes in this nice little black and white packaging, and then it also includes a little bag full of goodies. So one thing I like about Play by Sephora is it comes with this big insert every month, and it tells you what all the items are inside with a brief description. And it also comes with a little card here, and if you take this card off and take it into a Sephora store and you purchase something, they give you 50 Beauty Insider points. I don't believe this works online, and I do most of my shopping online, so I really never get to use these, but you know, if you're going in the store, this is nice because you get 50 points added to your account. Let's see what's inside this month's Play by Sephora. The first item in the bag is a mascara by Marc Jacobs. I've never tried this mascara, but I love the Marc Jacobs gel eyeliners. And this is supposed to be a major volume mascara. The insert says it's a velvety, no clump mascara that creates voluminous lashes with a unique curvy brush. This mascara is a luxurious formula, and it adds mega volume and ultra length, and it's a super concentrated pigment for lashes that are almost too good to be real. So let's take a look at the brush. This is a nice brush. You know, I always love getting sample size mascaras, and I haven't tried this one yet, but there are some other ones that I have tried in the sample size and I love them. And then I go and I buy the full size and pay full price for it, and I don't like it at all. It's strange. I feel like sometimes the sample size is better than the full size product. I look forward to trying this out. The next product is something I was actually excited to get, even though I already own this product and I've used it for many years. But this is the Porefessional Pore Primer, and this is by Benefit. And this is a really nice oil-free primer, and it's supposed to minimize the look of pores and control shine all day long. It doesn't really control shine all day long for me, but this is probably one of the best primers I've ever used because it truly does fill in the larger pores, and it just makes your foundation go on just so flawless. The next product is something I've actually already tested out, and this is the YSL Black Opium Eau de Parfum, and it was just a one-time use. I actually didn't like the delivery method of this. It just came in this little ampule, and then you just pop the top off and then you poured it out. So it wasn't a little spray, it didn't have a little lid, so all I could really do is try it one time. And you know, usually when I get these little perfume samples, you know, it's either a spray or something, and you can use it at least a couple times. So this was just basically a one-time use. This says that this Black Opium Eau de Parfum is an intoxicating and invigorating blend featuring notes of high-energy coffee, seductive vanilla, and sweet white flower. It was a nice scent, but this is not something that I would repurchase. I do enjoy getting the little samples of it though, just to try it out, but it's probably not something that I would normally wear. The next product is something I was also excited to get. This is one of my favorite eyeliners, and this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. It came in black. I have a few of these. I have a full size in the dark brown one also, but this is such a nice eyeliner because look at the felt tip, and it literally is just like a marker. And when you put this on, I mean, it's so precise. You can make it thin, you can do thick, you can, I mean, really do whatever you want. But the nice thing about this is once it sets, once it dries, I'm talking this stuff does not come off until you take it off with your makeup remover. So that is what I love about this. This is a great eyeliner for, you know, above the eyes. And I don't do a thick winged line or anything because I do have hooded eyes, so I try to keep the eyeliner on the top very, very thin. I basically just put it in between the eyelashes just to darken up that area a little bit. But this is so nice because the point of it is just so precise, and it's just so easy to get a nice black line. And this literally has only been on my hand for like, what, 10, 15 seconds? And look, even already, it doesn't want to come off. It's staying on my hand. Now, I should let it sit obviously a little bit longer, but that just goes to show you how much this stays on and it doesn't smear all over the place. The next one, which is Detox Dry Shampoo by Dry Bar. I love getting dry shampoos because since I travel, I can't bring tall dry shampoos, and when I travel, I don't want to wash my hair every single day. I usually just wear it in a ponytail or a bun, and dry shampoos are great. This is a great dry shampoo. This is actually one of my second or third favorites, so I'm really happy to have gotten this. What I love about this dry shampoo is, first of all, the scent of it. Oh, it is such a warm, it's just a warm, sensual, nice, clean smell. I really, really love the scent of it. But what's really nice about this is, you know, a lot of dry shampoos, when you spray them on, especially dark hair like mine, they're really, really white. And then even if you run your fingers through it after a couple minutes, after it dries, it still stays white on there. This one isn't white. It's like it's my skin color, basically. And so when I first spray it on, some of the areas do look a little bit lighter, but I let it sit for a couple minutes and then I just run my fingers through it, and the color, this light color, fades away and it blends into my hair perfectly. So this is a really, really nice dry shampoo, so I'm excited to have another one. And the last product is something I have not tried before. This is the Sephora brand, which a lot of the Sephora brands are really, really nice, and they're affordable. This says that it is a detoxifying mud mask that clarifies skin with zinc and copper. And you know, I like to use mud masks every now and then. I just kind of put them on my T-zone, but I probably won't use this since it has copper in it. I'm not 100% sure, but a lot of the studies that I've read about melasma that I have, it's the hormonal type of hyperpigmentation, it says that it's darkened with copper, you know, so when we're ingesting foods that have a lot of copper in them and things like that. So a lot of times they say that when you detox yourself of a lot of copper and don't take multivitamins that have a lot of copper in them, that can help with your melasma. So I don't know. I don't really know if that is the case or not, but you know, it's just a mud mask, so I'm not even gonna risk trying it. So it comes in this little plastic container, and I typically don't like jar packaging for anything, but we'll discuss that in another video. But it has a nice scent, but you know, I typically don't like fragrances to go on my face anyway, so, and it feels creamy. It feels like a moisturizer, but this really has a strong fragrance in it. It's a very nice fragrance, but if you have sensitive skin, just make sure you read the ingredients or do a patch test to see if it irritates your skin first before you put it all over your face. That wraps it up for this month's Play by Sephora. If you would like a detailed review on any of the products in here, just leave me a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to do a full review on any of these products. I hope you liked today's quick video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe and you want to get notified each time I post a new video, just click the little bell when you subscribe and you'll be sent an email every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.